Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. So in my previous video, I have shown you guys how you can send a bulk amount of email to promote your offer. And in this video, we are going to see how we can manage to collect our targeted valid email address. So before starting the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe it now and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get new videos every day. So here I will show two different ways to get your desired traffic email and how to refine the valid emails as well. First method is simple, and most of the people trying this to get emails, even the gig supplier who works on Fiverr, they provide bulk email in a short time to their buyers through this method. What they do is just go to Google search engine and scrape targeted audiences according to their niche. So let's see, suppose I'm going to promote a ClickBank fitness product. Then here my target is to collect emails of fitness trainers from the USA because they always looking for supplements boosting their testosterone, muscles, etc. So whenever any new fitness equipment available in the market, they show their interest in this. Anyway, not to talk more, let's find out how I can get their emails. Okay, now again, another method is to get your target audiences make a YouTube channel and provide premium content that your audience always looking for. So here my audience is from the health and fitness category, so I'll make a video something like that where I give them 5 short tips to become healthier and plus one more premium tip, like I can provide them 1-week diet plan. Here's the trick: normally people won't show interest to unknown things, so what you can do is that instead of write 1-week diet plan, you can add here one more thing like popular brand, person name, The Rock, seen as 1-week diet plan, PDF video, cheat meal, etc. Then write this to your video description that if they looking to get the PDF for free, then they have to join your Facebook group. So make a private Facebook group and give your joining question like, ask for their mail, where they from, and are they agree to all terms, that they never do spam in groups and don't break groups. That's it. Now this is the way you can collect your desired audience mail, plus you can have them as your permanent traffic in your Facebook group. So it's more like hit 2 target in 1 bullet. This video gets longer, so watch my next video that how do you find out those emails are valid or not. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope this will help you. Share and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this, and comment below what you don't understand properly.